Mother Nature. Mother Nature personifies the natural world and its phenomena as a nurturing yet sometimes unpredictable maternal figure. The concept originates from ancient mythologies and cultural traditions where natural forces were revered as goddesses or maternal entities. It became popularized as a poetic term to describe the environment. It is used in discussions about weather, natural disasters, or environmental issues to evoke a sense of respect and reverence for nature. For example, when the storm hit unexpectedly, everyone realized that not even Mother Nature could be completely controlled. Or, the farmers prayed to Mother Nature for a bountiful harvest after the long, dry season.